Well, good day everyone. It's me Chanel here, and today I have a decorating idea for the Christmas holiday season. Yes, I did say Christmas holiday season, still going on in the bedroom. Thank you for joining me. So here is some footage that I did not share with the Christmas tour video. I wanted a little bit of Christmas cheer in the area, and so I am using one of the and just add a little holiday decor right over here in the area. It doesn't take much, you all, as you know, and as you'll see coming up here in the video, and a few decorated ornaments to coincide with the colors that is going on in the room. Some people call it chartreuse citron color. It is a green with a hint of yellow in it. It is a soothing, inviting, enveloping color that you see there in the draperies. And I'm just going to add a little color to the area for the Christmas holiday season, so that I didn't share. You can see the room is already pretty neutral, or you'll see coming up in videos to come, coming up later this year, first part of 2021, that I'll be sharing some of the area with you and some changes that I'm going to make in the space. And as you can see here, I'm just going to add a few of the stems, or they're just dried branches, into the vase, as well as some freshly picked, or at least that's what we're going to call them, pine cones, freshly fallen from the trees. And if you have pine trees, this is an excellent idea. You can just go right outside and pick some off the ground. And some floral picks here in the frosted faux snow that it is on the picks as well. And just add those to the vase, and there you have it. Just 3 simple items along with the vase in the area, giving it some height. And it's a easy do floral arrangement, but also adding the holiday cheer into the bedroom area if you don't want to add a complete Christmas tree with all the baubles, ornaments, balls, as we do. And thank you for joining me on today again. Happy holidays, and keep on with that holiday decorating and cheer. And don't forget, you can drop by my Instagram, that's Angelic Interior Designs as well, and join me over there to like, comment, share. Definitely hit that subscribe button. This has been Chanel, and I'll see you all for the next one.